Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can select multiple elements or objects in your presentation in Google Slides, for example, to edit or to customize them all at the same time and to apply changes to all of these selected elements with one click of your mouse. So this is how you can do it, guys. There are basically two different ways. So as you can see, I'm on that presentation here I created for the sake of this tutorial. And now let's assume I would like to select that text box here as well as this one here to the right and edit both of them at the same time. So this is how you can do it. Simply select the first element, which in this case would be here this text box, with your left mouse, just like that. And after that, make sure that you hold left shift on your keyboard, and while holding it, select the next object with your left mouse like this. Super simple. As you can see now, if I drag them, I will be able to drag both of them at the same time, or to apply changes at the same time, to edit them at the same time, and so on and so forth. However, guys, there's also an alternative approach. For example, if you use that method I just mentioned with holding the left shift key on your keyboard, it will also automatically select all elements or objects that are placed between the two objects you would like to select. So that's maybe not always the best approach. For example, if you'd like to select that text box here and the text box that is placed, for example, in the opposite direction here on the opposite corner of the given slide, you may do that without selecting any objects that lie between these two objects. And this is how you can do it, guys. Simply again select the given object you would like to start with your left mouse, but instead of pressing and holding left shift, press and hold left control on your keyboard, or left command if you're using a Mac, of course, and select the object you would like to select as well, just like that, and at the same time by skipping any objects that lie between these. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, it is super simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value from it, and we'll see you later.